Alright, y'all. Doing a unboxing video. This got me a laptop. I think this is my first or second. Nah, this is my first laptop. I got him. Well, myself. Let's see what it is. Kind of hard to open. I'm over here trying to open. Like, does it matter how you open it? One hand open this. I heard it's pretty okay. It's useful as long as I can use it for what I will use it for. Watch TV or stuff. Do that on my phone. Something I can use. I'll turn on the TV. Bro, they got this junk packed. They got this. Yeah, they got this right. Oh, it came with a charger. I'm back. It's kind of weird how you turn it on. You gotta like hold the power button, but you can't hold it for long where it turn back off. I hope it's on charge. Please don't mind that. I think somebody outside cutting the grass. I think it's dead. It needs to be charged. This is why you look at the manual. Blah, blah, blah. What is this? Oh, it has a warranty? Does it come with a warranty? Oh, it does come with a